Well, straight up, let's connect with the management of Kitex Garments. Mr. Sabu Jacob is the CMD, now joining in on ET Now. Thanks for being with us. Now, we've seen a 9% rise in your revenues, but your profit and margins as well as dipped. So what have been your key highlights?
Yeah, actually, this Q1, we made almost 11 crores revenue increase, but little affected our, on the dollar. So we had actually last Q1, we have a 6 crores gain, and, we have zero gain, this Q1. So that is affected our profit a little bit. But other than that, I think overall business is good.
Okay, business is good for you. So then let's talk about your cost of materials, though. They've gone up about 26%, and your other income, though, has seen a significant dip. So can you explain this?
Yeah, actually, the raw material cost, almost the same. It's not 26. I don't know where you got, 26% increase. It's almost flat. And, the other income actually, basically our processing charges, that is, a little bit gone up.
Okay. What exactly is your outlook in terms of debt levels? How much cash is on your books?
Yeah, the debt level actually we made zero, and other than the term loan, but we have a cash of dollar almost 250 crores in our book.
Okay. What is the outlook on account of the rising currency? You have a significant FCCB exposure. So with the rupee impact, what kind of an impact do you see on this?
See, the going forward, the dollar is becoming more strong. So what we are planning, future, we are already, started negotiating with our customers. And we have a very clear agreement with our customers that, when dollar or raw material effect, we will adjust in the coming seasons. So we already started this process, and, in fact, mostly all our customers agreed, and, we are going to adjust the pricing, based on the dollar prices now. So that will impact only coming quarters.
Okay, and what are the separate margin contributors from your garments and your fabric business? How much do each of them contribute to the total revenue pie, and what kind of demand do you foresee?
The fabric, actually, we are not expecting increase in the profit, but I think, we are looking for, more conversion into garment and, sales on the garment sector.
Okay. By the way, just taking a look at, your results, you were asking about the cost of materials. So it stands at about 58 crores versus 46. So there has been a 26% increase. Hence, I was asking you about that. Just wanted to know, is this going to, do you see the cost of materials percentage continuously growing quarter after quarter?
See, actually, that quarter shows, that 58 crores. Basically, you can see a stock also increased. That raw material actually, if quarter to quarter, if you compare, is only 40%, and, is compared to last quarter also is 40%. But 58 crores, is actually material consumed based on the stock. It's not actual consumption increase in the stock. That's why, you are seeing a 26% increase, but it's in the stock.
Right. And finally, I want to talk about the listing of Kitex children's wear that was delayed. So I'm sure the market is curious. What is the update on this now?
It's not delayed, actually. From the day one, we committed that, it's going to be, happen in 19 and 20. So that process, still going on, and, we are not delayed or anything. As per the plan, it's 1920.
Okay. So now you're saying the timeline is 1920?
Yeah. Even the day one, we said, it's 1920. We had, the EY study and all that, then, we confirmed that, it's going to be happen in 19 and 20.
All right. And any brand tie-up talks with Kitex Garments?
See, we had some discussions, we actually,
with whom?
The Lemass. Hello?
Yes, with whom do you have discussions?
Already in the market, and some few brands, we are talking, but, I cannot disclose, we have a clear documents, we cannot disclose right now unless we sign the contracts.
All right, Mr. Jacob, let you go on that note. Thanks very much for sharing with us the outlook on the quarter gone by, as well as your brand tie-up. So currently in talks as of now, the cost of materials is not going to be a concern. And when it comes to Kitex children's wear, it's clearly on track with a timeline of 2019-20.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.